Okay, the big idea with this is just that you need to know what it means to be in terms of pi, and you need to know the formula. Circumference equals 2 pi r. You could also say pi times diameter, and you could see how twice the radius equals the diameter, but they're giving us the circumference, or they're giving us the radius rather. So that's what we're substituting with the radius, 5 feet. And 2 times 5 is 10. And we're keeping it in terms of pi, so we're not calculating using the number itself. We're saying 10 times the value of pi feet is what the circumference is.